The DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor is a reliable and cost-effective sensor that allows precise climate monitoring within a control LED environment. Ideal for beginners and professionals alike, this sensor is widely used in HVAC systems, weather stations, and embedded projects requiring real-time weather data. The DHT11 sensor employs a thermistor for temperature measurement and a capacitive humidity sensor for measuring humidity levels. A microcontroller inside the sensor does the data acquisition from these elements and then converts them into digital signals for easy processing. The sensor typically has 4 pins: VCC, ground, data, and a not connected pin. It can operate in a pull-up resistor configuration and offer digital output, making it easily compatible with microcontrollers like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. Basic functioning involves thermistor-based temperature measurement, capacitive sensing of humidity, internal microcontroller for analog to digital conversion, digital output that can be processed by an external microcontroller. In summary, the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor is a reliable and cost-effective solution for various environmental monitoring applications. Whether you are developing a weather station, home automation system, or industrial monitoring solutions, this sensor can meet your needs.